Smart contracts control billions of dollars. And they do it without a single human touch. They aren't contracts, they aren't smart either. But they're the reason crypto even works. Today you'll finally understand them out clearly. What smart contracts really are? A smart contract is code. Code that runs itself, no permission needed, no lawyer needed, no manager or middleman. It follows logic only. If X happens, it does Y, and it never gets tired, confused, or emotional. It reads inputs, checks rules, executes instantly. Why they're called smart? They follow rules with military precision. They enforce agreements perfectly. They never argue. They never negotiate. They only obey logic. Smart contracts on blockchain. When you deploy code, it becomes permanent. It lives inside the chain forever. No edits allowed. No undo button. Every node runs it independently. That's thousands of computers executing the same logic. If they all agree, the result becomes final. That's how trust is replaced by math. Deterministic logic. Smart contracts are predictable. Same input, same output, no surprises, no mood swings. This stability lets billions flow safely. What smart contracts can do: they hold money. They release money automatically. They run entire businesses. They power NFTs. They power DeFi. They run staking rewards. They execute liquidations. They manage crypto economies quietly in the background. If you want serious trading growth, join my Telegram groups. Monthly group, $99. Yearly group, $699 plus 20% profit share per trade. Join today and upgrade your trading life. Real examples. Example 1. Automatic escrow. Beer pays, contract holds, seller gets released funds. Example 2. Liquidations, price drops. Contract liquidates instantly. Example 3. Royalties. Example 4. Staking logic. These systems run 24/7 without humans. Risk. Smart contracts are powerful but unforgiving. One bug can drain everything. No one can stop it once deployed. That's why audits matter. When the code is wrong, money is gone. This technology is the backbone of crypto. It replaces trust with code, and we're only getting started. Subscribe our channel for more educational videos.